Pterodactyl here, and I want to show you something about these snowblowers. These ones that have the rubber paddles riveted to the auger. Now if you're a shop owner like me, you won't even take these in because it's too labor intensive to drill or grind all those rivets off. Well, I got a quick and speedy way, grass rats, to remove those rivets. Introducing the Rivet Popper. This tool makes quick, easy work for removing these paddles. You just simply open it up, place it on the rivet, and pow! Pop that rivet! Pow! Pop that rivet! Pow! Pop that rivet! This tool makes quick and easy removal of these paddles. Now I know what you're saying. Taryl, where do I get those paddles to replace? I don't think they make them anymore, or you have to buy them one at a time. You can go on Scamazon. We're gonna give you the number to punch in, and you can get a whole set of paddles with the hardware to reinstall them for 25 bucks. So to find that paddle kit on Scamazon, type in the Murray part number 302565MA, and it'll take you right there to Scamazon's site, and there's that paddle kit. Get yourself one today. Fix that old snowblower. Also works on removing the scraper bar. So if you're a shop owner and these snowblowers are coming in and you're turning them away, now you can make that easy money with the Rivet Popper. Go to rivetpopper.com and get your Rivet Popper today. And there's your dinner. Woo!